Hello and welcome to Crafty Corner. We are an online Cricut authorized retailer, but we love giving inspiration and education. Today is a quick tip when working with multiple layers of vinyl. I have a little round trivet here and a lot of vinyl parts to my design, cut and weeded. Sometimes it can be difficult to place each piece and know where they all belong exactly with each other. So what I do is I actually print out a picture of my exact design. My trivet is clear so I can place it underneath, but if your blank is not clear, you can just set it next to you and it'll still help with the placement. But I just place it underneath and then I can place my design on top. I'll take my transfer tape and place it on my vinyl. Burnish well. Remove the backing. And now I'm able to line it up with the printed sheet underneath. I ended up deciding to place these pieces separately so they lined up exactly. And then remove the transfer tape. I can then continue the same strategy for each part of my design. For those that are wondering why my design is backwards, it is because I'm placing the design on the underneath of the trivet, so it will be the correct way when flipped right side up. Having the image underneath this trivet made it so easy to know right where each piece of the design was supposed to be. I hope this helps for your next project. Thanks for watching this trick today. Check out more videos from us here. Head over to Craft-e-Corner.com to get your Cricut vinyl. And don't forget to subscribe to see all of our Cricut tips and tricks.